Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, stability control, front license plate bracket, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, trip computer, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.